If you paid attention to Saskatchewan's budget last week, you may have noticed a repeated phrase.
The largest increase in school operating funding in the history of the province, the largest increase in healthcare funding.
It's a record investment of $7.6 billion.
A record budget for the Ministry of Health.
We're seeing the largest ever increase to school operating funding.
Record spending in education, healthcare, and income for communities. Those were such a big part of the government's messaging that they were displayed prominently behind Premier Scott Moe during a news conference. But is it a credible claim? We asked the experts.
In terms of absolute amount, yes. So this is a historically high amount of spending on everything, healthcare, education, and capital. So, however, it's considering this inflation and also population growth, this is kind of normal.
Things are more expensive, and the provincial government is not exempt from that. So in that context, record spending, even though it's true, is not really surprising or earth-shaking. Or, as Post-Media columnist Murray Mandrick noted last week,
as you point out, yes, it's the biggest ever. I just set a record for being the oldest I've been, so.
So why tout this budget as record-setting? The experts say it's simple, public messaging.
It's partially driven by the election, but partially it signals that they are confident that they can make an investment right now and to pave the path for the next term.
They are making this choice by increasing spending on the program side. And I think that is a kind of clear political decision they've made, that maybe it is more important to invest in public services than it is to emphasize a balanced budget over everything else.
Even the budget's name, Classroom, Care and Communities, is an indication of the priorities for this fiscal year. Education is a big focus for the public right now.
So this year, they want to solve this immediate pressure, kind of relieve this immediate pressure by spending way more on education compared with healthcare and social service, for example.
So, will it get the Saskatchewan Party public support and another majority government? We won't know until the provincial election later this year. Alexander Kwan, CBC News, Regina.